How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Here, click on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, go to Settings. After you're in Settings, scroll down, you'll find Privacy and Safety. Click on it. Then here, go to end-to-end encrypted chats and make sure message storage is turned on. And after you have done that, go back. Here in Settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on See More in Account Center. After you've clicked on See More in Account Center, click on Your Information and Permissions. Export your information. After you've clicked on Export your information, it will lead you to this page. Click on Create Export. Select Facebook. Export to device. Customize information. And select Only Messages. Then press on Save at the bottom. After you've done that, select the date range if you want to. If not, press on Start Export at the bottom. Add your Facebook password and then everything will be sent to your mail. You can check your mail, click on the mail, and you'll find all the messages recovered from end-to-end encrypted chats. And this is how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.